Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to MS Turing Academy, Keledu Medisha. So let's continue with the sequences and series for grade 12. So let's prove this sum for linear sequence, right? So that's what we are required to prove. Prove that Sn, which is this to n times, is equal to this. This is a linear series. So we have this a plus d plus um, a plus. So this is taken from this. So now we're going to add second last term, which is a plus n minus 2 times d, and then the last term, a plus n minus 1 times d, and then we're going to add these terms again, but in the reverse order. We're going to rewrite this. We start with the last term, and then second last term. We will continue like this, and then second term, and then finally last term. So we add these two equations together. So this will be equation 1, equation 2. So we add equation 1 and equation 2 together to get the result. Sn plus Sn, that's 2Sn. A plus this, that's 2A plus uh, n minus 1 d. This term plus this term, that's A plus A, which is 2A. Um, this d, and then you see here, we have nd, we have minus 2d, right? So d minus 2d, we're left with what? Minus d. And then we already have what? Nd. So these two together, they give us what? We factorize the d, we're left with n minus 1 d. Okay? So it's essentially a plus d plus a plus nd minus 2d. This is 2a, d minus 2d. My bad. Let's start with nd. D minus 2d, that's minus d, 2a plus, we factorize here, we factorize d, we're left with n minus 1, d. Okay, so all the terms, when you're adding them together, they will give us um, this result. Okay, because if we add this two, if we add this two, it's the same as adding this combination here, which we just did, and then adding these two together is the same as adding this. So they all give us the same result. 2 n terms. So this number repeats itself. We're adding this number by itself n times. So we can just simplify this to what? Multiply this because we're adding it n times. It's like we're adding one. Let's say we're adding a number like x plus x plus x 3 times. So the result is simply just what? 3 times x. And then if we're adding y plus y plus to n times, the result is just what? N times y. That's essentially what we're doing here. And then we divide both sides by 2. We get n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. And we've proved this equation. Okay.